Hey guys, my name is Callie. Today I'm going to be doing a Thredup video. If you're new here, I was a full-time reseller, now a part-time reseller. I sell on a variety of platforms. My Instagram and Poshmark are both rebel_rose_co. I have a bunch of links in my Instagram bio, and I will have a bunch of links down below on where you can find me. It's going to be a fairly casual video. Basically, I just need to get to it. I'm not going to talk like a bunch before. Thredup has made a gazillion changes. So before all the Thredup changes, I made a lot of money on Thredup. I'll link a video up here. They basically are not taking like any mall brands. They've raised the fees for everything. The percentages of your payout have gone down. Basically, it's not as good as it used to be, but I have a label that includes the $10.99 fee to get your stuff back for whatever they don't take. So I'm going to send in some more expensive items and see what happens. I have sent in boxes for a really long time, but it's been a while since I have sent in any because I had probably 50 boxes waiting to be processed and on hold for a really long time. So I finally have a label and I'm just going to use it. These are all things that I sourced for almost nothing, so I would not pay up for things to send into Thredup, especially now. And I'm getting over a little bit of a cold if I sound congested. Sorry. If you liked, commented, subscribed, that means a lot to me. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and start packing up this box and see what I can send in. It's just a casual video in the garage. I need to move some of these things. Okay, so I have not gone through the list of the specific things, the specific brands they're not accepting. So we're just gonna see what happens. Okay, I've had a box here that I've been meaning to send in, but it was only half full. So I'm going to take everything out, tell you what's in there, put it back in, and then add some more stuff. Probably pull some stale listings. I don't really know. All I know is I need to get rid of some stuff. So, all right. Okay, the first item is Club Monaco shorts. Yeah, this brand, I have sold it for, I once sold a pair of Club Monaco wool trousers for $80 on Thredup. And then I've also sold a Club Monaco shirt for $6. So Thredup is so hit or miss. Sometimes it's just I don't really know what's going on. Okay, Thredup. Oh wait, does this have a size? Because they don't take stuff without sizes. Let me check. Okay, yeah, it's a size large. Thredup is a fairly expensive brand. I have a dress by them listed and has had no luck selling. So this is just a pretty basic top. It's kind of cinched in the front. We'll send this in and see. Honestly, you guys probably could tell by my latest videos, I'm burnt out on reselling. It's not fun anymore. And I want it to be fun because it's I like it, but yeah, so we'll just see. So next is Splendid. This brand is such a hit or miss. They did end up selling some items at Costco, which really brought the cost down. It was kind of like their diffusion line. But yeah, it's hit or miss. It does retail for a decent amount, so I'm going to send this top in. This box is pretty big. It's a Walmart box. I don't remember what I got in it, but it's pretty big. All right, Eileen Fisher does very well on Thredup. This is Eileen Fisher. It's a size large cardigan, pretty basic. It's hit or miss for me on other platforms. It's viscose nylon lycra. Anyway, I've sold Thredup cardigans, wool cardigans, for over $100 on Thredup, so fingers crossed. And then we have an Eileen Fisher tank top. Also, they have said that the payout percentages are going down, so I don't know how much I'll actually get. This is 70% silk, and it has this crisscross front stuff. Honestly, I want to get stuff sent in because I have boxes up there. I have boxes over there. I'm overwhelmed, as I said in every fucking video, so trying to simplify things. Okay, we have some True Religion jeans. Retails for a lot. I have not had much luck selling these jeans, so let's hope that they can sell them. Okay, Drew. This was sold at Anthropology. Just a cute pair of pants, wide leg, pretty basic. I'm going to cram this box so full. It's a Vince Camuto, and it's just a coat. It's like this boucle kind of fabric, and then like fake leather quilted sleeves with a zipper. It's unique, and it's summer. By the time this box gets processed, it'll probably be winter, so I'm going to be sending that in. This is something that I pulled from my inventory, Armani Collezioni. I'm not going to pull it out of the bag. It's just a pair of pants, I believe. I honestly can't remember, but I'm 99% sure this is just a pair of pants that are not selling, so I'm going to send that in. And then a pair of Giorgio Armani brown cuffed pants. Exact same thing. This brand also I've sold for over $100 on Thredup, so we'll see how it does now. Okay, Nanette Lepore. Prices for this brand are all over the place, but this is like a jacket. It's pretty cute. It has like little bell sleeves and giant buttons, but it's almost summer, so I would like to get rid of it. Okay, another huge coat. It's Only Edge Collection. I don't know anything about that brand, but yeah, I'm just going to send this in. It's just like a puffy jacket, and people don't like puffy jackets, so I honestly don't even know anything about that brand. But a pair of Theory shorts. Again, I might get 15, 20 for these on Poshmark. We'll see. On Thredup. It'll just feel so good to get some of this stuff out of here. Okay, another pair of True Religion jeans. So yeah, basically I was a full-time reseller. I will link the video where I talk about why I stopped. Yeah, so now I have a full-time job, and I know some people when they come home from work, they're like, I'm gonna list 20 things and do all this stuff. I can't do it, and I just want to enjoy the summer, so I want to get some of this stuff out of here. Okay, Wilson's suede leather, or suede and leather. It is just a Wilson's leather jacket. This brand does pretty well in there, I believe. I can't remember if I sold this brand, but I have sold leather items on Thredup for a lot, so I'm excited to see how that does. Okay, an Armani skirt. Again, I pulled this from my inventory. A Club Monaco size 6 dress pants. Hopefully it will sell for 80 like my other pair, but I wouldn't count on it. All right, Pendleton. I sold Pendleton wool blazers for like 80 bucks on Thredup, so I'm sending this in. Really hope that does well. This just got rejected by the Real. I don't think it was even on their list. I was just testing it out. It's Shoshana. I haven't had good luck selling this, but it's cute. It's red strapless dress with pockets, so I'll send that in. Okay, this Montclair jacket. I found this. I did not know if it was real or not. I sent it into the Real, but they rejected it because of pilling. So they didn't say it was fake, so I don't know. So I'm sending it into Thredup, and we're going to see how this does. I really hope it's real and that I get a lot for it. Okay, Theory blazer. Again, Theory does fairly well on there, and I don't really want to list this. Silva Florentina, made in Italy. Little kitten heels, vintage, genuine leather, just an older style. And then, I never know how to say this. Etene Eigner. I never know how to say this, but these are genuine leather. They have like a bow, but they're just like a kitten heel, kind of an older style, probably vintage, so I'm gonna send that in. And then I actually have a bunch of shoes here, so I think I'm gonna try sending some of these in. Okay, this is Hinge, like the dating app. They are cute. They're like perforated suede leather. Do they have a size? Because Thredup is weird about size stuff, so let's see. Really? So frustrating. I want to get rid of this stuff. Okay, I don't see a size, so maybe not. Okay, this is Okay, size 9 leather. It's just Reaction Kenneth Cole, but they are leather perforated suede boots. I'm going to send those in. There's a lot of perforated suede boots. This is Suzina. They are also the same as the other ones, perforated suede boots. Just gotta make sure there's a size. Really? What kind of shoes don't have sizes? Girl. Okay, so not those, I guess. Rude. All right, Madden Girl. They are not real leather. Beam Mikowski. Oh, I just sold a bag by them. So I'm going to send it in. Just some leather heels or leather ankle booties. Indigo by Clarks. I have sold Clarks for a decent amount, like 70 bucks before, and then I've also sold Clarks for like 10 bucks. But anyway, these are genuine leather. I'm going to send these in. I really hope that they do well. Naturalizer. That's another brand that retails for a decent amount. It's very hit or miss, but I'm going to send these in. If I can find the other one. Yeah, right here. Perfect. Hope that they take all these boots. And then this is Born. This is another brand where very hit or miss. I've sold some for a lot, sold some for not a lot at all. These are just genuine suede and have like a braided little wraparound thing. I will send those in because it's not boots weather, and by the time this gets processed, it'll probably be winter because I'm setting in a lot of coats and boots, but then again, with how long Thredup takes, it'll probably be fucking summer again. Okay. Ooh. Okay, this is Vince Camuto. These are genuine leather boots. I'm making this just pretty quick. I just want to get the stuff out of here. Okay, Steve Madden. These are just some open toe heels. They are leather. They're suede. They're in pretty good condition. I just don't really feel like listing them. These are Merrill sandals. They do have a little bit of wear, but I am sending them in. And then we have a pair of Birkenstocks. I do not like touching these, but they are a moneymaker. Size 39. Yeah, sending these in. Oh, it feels good to get all these shoes out of here. Give me 1 minute. I'm gonna open another box and then we'll see what we can find. Okay, so I'm going to send in these Lucky Brand shoes. They do have this like white scuff. I don't know if they'll take them or not, but I don't really feel like dealing with that. So I'm going to send that in, and then I'm going to send in this wool coat. It says for Cynthia. I'm just basically sending in all the boots, all the coats. Okay, and then this Lucky Brand. There's the name, purse. And that is all I'm going to send in. That's pretty much all that will fit in this box. And I'll do an updated video whenever they process this. So if you watch the whole way through, I really appreciate it. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.